And I had a thought too, Katie, that this may like strike a fire somewhere or tick someone off, and I don't care, but like, hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Beparwah Collective. Hey, Katie.
Hey, Jason. How's it going?
You know it going real good, girl.
Oh, is it going good?
It is going
Tell
real good.
me how good is it going?
We're talking like we're in Nashville. That's what everyone does here.
I wasn't.
It's so not. It is not what people do here.
No. Well, some people.
Maybe, yes. Hey guys, we're glad you joined us, and we're glad we're here.
We are so glad we're here.
We're glad for all of you that hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
And you like us on Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon. So, today we're going to react to a new video.
Yes.
We recently learned of...
I love new videos.
New videos are so fun. We've been, one of our passions in this whole process is like going to different parts of the world.
Yeah.
Where we could do this on our own and deep dive into other cultures and music, but everyone's busy wherever you are. We all have our jobs and families and friends and all the things. So it helps because you guys tell us who we should listen to in the countries you're from. And I think that's really fun. That's why I love doing this.
I think that's the best. Like we're hearing from the biggest fans of these artists.
I know, and it really makes a big difference. So it's like we fast track to finding the best artists around the world, right?
Best.
So today we
don't do mediocre on the Vocal App
That's
Collective.
right. There is no
Thanks
mediocre here. Ain't no mediocre, and there's no room for no drama. It's all drama.
Do you love my look?
It is all drama. All day drama with this.
We know drama.
You should see your two kids too, because it's like
they're a handful.
It's a double dose of drama.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
They're so cute though.
But hey, we're going back to the Coke Studio because this is going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's a new artist here that we don't know. So let's just see. You ready?
Coke Studio, Season 14.
I might like that better than 107.5. Her voice is really pleasant.
It's
Coke Studio. She almost sounds Scandinavian.
Beparwah?
Beparwah. Momina. Great ad placement, Coke.
Beautiful tone.
Beautiful person. It's so pleasant.
I mean, well, I'll say it after. I want to watch the thing.
Yes. Her Indian styling is just like so nice.
So mystic.
Yeah. I like the production on this track too. Look at that.
What is that?
It's some Indian instrument we don't know. That one too. I've seen them, but I don't know what they're called.
That's not a sitar?
There might be a version of one. Maybe. Sounds so cool, doesn't it?
It's beautiful.
I love Indian music. So pretty. I'm adding this to my Spotify too. It really, yeah.
Very dreamy.
No, it's such a vibe. Oh, Elfish. Elvish?
Elvish.
Yeah. She does hold her mic.
Yeah.
It's like, it's very stiff.
Well, she's getting the bottom though. She's getting everything here.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Really, really beautiful.
Okay,
I really like
Coke
that.
Studio is just immaculate for the production that they put on for their videos. One thing that I really love about these artists from India that we're seeing is it looks like they're just speaking. Mm-hmm. Like if you were to turn the volume off and just watch the video, it just looks like they're talking. And I think that's such a huge thing when it comes to singing. Sometimes people try to overperform.
Yeah.
And but then she looks like she's just speaking, and then it really brought me to some Celtic.
Yeah, you mentioned that under your breath as we were watching the video, and I kept thinking that we both at the same thing.
We're literally the same position.
We are the same person. I had those thoughts too, because literally threw me back pretty quickly to my days in Tenore.
Yeah.
And some of the music stylings and production and arrangements that we would do totally fit this vibe.
Oh, yeah.
And so, which is also Celtic women.
Yeah.
Down the list. But
Lorna McKenna.
Yeah, it's very mystical and magical and dreamy and inspiring, and it's all these feelings. I think that's why people around the world love the music, and it's really cool to see the same type version from an Indian artist. And I had a thought too, Katie, that this may like strike a fire somewhere or tick someone off, and I don't care, but like it's interesting to me that this Coke Studio is so well done and so well produced, right? And millions of people around the world are learning of these artists that we would never be exposed to without this platform on YouTube, right? And so it's interesting how we can show this and all of our friends are going to see it, and some people are going to come across it that we don't even know, that don't follow us. But traditionally, American and British record labels who have controlled the music world, we would not know what this was still if it was up to them, right?
Yeah.
And the really funny fact, guys, is we don't do a lot of American videos because they get shut down because American labels don't want us to do this because they claim copyright, all the stuff.
Yep.
So I literally freaking love how many stars, really stars from around the world, so many people are getting exposed to from different cultures and different countries because people are reacting to videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
I mean, there are thousands of people reacting to videos, right?
I mean, I'm like, I love the suggestions that everyone's putting in the comments because I'm discovering these new vocalists, artists, groups that are brilliant in their craft.
Totally. And I think you guys will probably notice too, like if you were to like do a time lapse of some of the things we say in all the videos, one of the things we point out, regardless of international placement, like meaning where any artist lives and is from, we're always commenting on tones.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Tones and textures.
Right.
Which convey the emotional expression of that song,
right?
And the kind of some of the true unique like parts of the individual singer. But that has no boundary or border, and it's honestly probably the most important components of a singer to really transcend boundaries and kind of go beyond the living room. You know?
Yeah.
Like you want to be an international star on YouTube, find your true tone and texture.
You have
find
to know
an audience
your
that
own
wants to hear
style, and you have to know how to connect with your audience.
Yeah.
And how to make them not just want to date you for a few songs, but marry you for your entire record and singing career.
Wow.
To be...
Do you need like a marriage license for that?
You don't need a marriage license, but you need to be able to connect with your audience so that
You
they want to
do.
stay with you.
You're right.
That's
You're
the
right.
thing. You
No,
can
it's so
date
true.
people all over, but when you're in a
And you
relationship,
have.
oh my gosh, he's so jealous because I always said
I
no to
am so
him.
jealous. You were like had so many like lovers, and I've had none.
I have not had lovers. Oh my gosh.
You said you wanted to be like. I'm trying to like.
My husband is gonna see this and be like, "Babe, you need to tell me something." Oh my
I'm
gosh.
just. That was metaphorical.
I have had a lot of men fall in love with me that I said no to.
This is true. I'm saying there's probably some of you out there now, but I'm speaking metaphorically that you have, you're like sassy and sexy. You want to be like, woman of the world.
Yes.
Which means you've had many lovers. You may have never touched them, but you've touched them.
Yes.
Right?
Sure.
God. I don't know what I'm saying.
I don't know either, Jason.
All I know is that this has been a
love
fantastic
this.
video. I love Coke Studio. Fantastic. We are going to wrap this session because it's time.
It's time.
Until next time, hit that subscribe button.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
And Patreon. And any other like TMZ, whatever that.
TMZ loves to
This
follow us.
Space.
Do you love it?
I love it. It's like the new thing. It's the new thing. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal
Vocal
Lab
Lab Collective.
Collective.